Pick up our easy-to-install Nuvo Iron PRO8 gate frame for your next gate project. A heavy-gauge galvanized steel frame with reinforced corner braces ensures your gate won't sag over time. Designed to offer you a picture frame finish from both sides of your gate. Coated with a thermally bonded and polyester-textured black powder finish to withstand the elements. Our frame is built to perfectly fit 8 standard 1-inch by 6-inch by 6-foot fence boards with no cutting required. Install our Pro Gate in under 20 minutes. Choose your desired look with an easy-to-install decorative arch. Our frame works with wood, vinyl, and composite fence boards to match your project. The Pro Gate frame is designed for both left or right swing configurations. The included latch is padlock compatible to add an extra layer of safety for your property. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.